And ever wondered how your body manages to filter out toxins and maintain a balance of electrolytes and water? The answer lies in your urinary system. This vital system, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies functioning optimally. It's a complex network of organs, tubes, muscles, and nerves working together to remove waste products and excess substances. So, buckle up and get ready to dive deeper into the world of kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The urinary system is more than just a waste disposal unit. It's a sophisticated network of organs working in harmony. Let's delve into the anatomy of this remarkable system. At the core of the urinary system are the kidneys, two bean-shaped organs about the size of a fist. Nestled against the back muscles in the upper abdominal area, they play a pivotal role in removing waste from the blood. Each kidney is a powerhouse of 1,000,000 tiny filters called nephrons, which are the basic functional units of the kidney. From the kidneys, we move to the ureters, two muscular tubes that transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder. These slender tubes, each about 10 to 12 inches long, use wave-like contractions to propel the urine forward. Next stop is the bladder, a muscular sac located in the pelvis. Its primary role is to store urine until it's time for it to leave the body. When empty, the bladder is roughly the size of a pear, but it can expand significantly as it fills with urine. Finally, we reach the urethra, the canal that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. In males, the urethra also has a reproductive function, transporting semen during ejaculation. Each component of the urinary system is intrinsically linked, creating an intricate network that functions smoothly to filter the body's blood, expel waste, and maintain a stable balance of salts and other substances in the blood. While the primary role of the urinary system is waste removal, it also plays a vital role in other bodily functions. It helps to regulate blood pressure, control red blood cell production, and balance the body's pH levels. So, this system is not just about going to the bathroom, it's about maintaining the delicate equilibrium that keeps us healthy. Now that we understand the structure, let's explore how these parts function together to keep our body in balance. The urinary system isn't just about eliminating waste, it's a complex balancing act that keeps our body functioning optimally. At the heart of this intricate system is the process of urine formation, a three-step dance that begins in the kidneys with filtration. Blood rushes into the kidneys through the renal arteries, bringing with it a mix of waste and nutrients. Then the glomerulus, a network of tiny blood vessels, filters out the waste and excess substances, creating a raw, unrefined form of urine. Next comes reabsorption, where the renal tubules reclaim the nutrients our body still needs, like glucose, sodium, and water. They're pulled back into the bloodstream, leaving only the waste behind. But the process isn't over yet. The final step, secretion, ensures that any lingering waste or excess ions are removed from the bloodstream and added to the urine. But the urinary system isn't done impressing us yet. It's also home to the renin-angiotensin system, a hormone system that helps regulate blood pressure. When blood pressure drops, the kidneys release an enzyme called renin. This triggers a cascade of events resulting in the production of a hormone called angiotensin II. This hormone constricts blood vessels and stimulates the release of another hormone, aldosterone, which prompts the kidneys to absorb more sodium and water. This restores blood pressure back to normal. And the urinary system plays a vital role in maintaining acid-base, electrolyte, and water balance in the body. It adjusts the levels of various ions, like potassium and sodium, and regulates the pH of the blood by eliminating hydrogen ions and reabsorbing bicarbonate ions. It also controls the volume and concentration of body fluids, ensuring that we're neither too hydrated nor too dehydrated. It's fascinating to see how the urinary system works tirelessly to keep us healthy, but how do we know if it's working properly? Just like a car needs regular servicing, our urinary system needs checks to ensure it's running smoothly. Now let's dive into the world of renal clearance tests. These tests are a vital tool in assessing how efficiently our kidneys are performing their job of filtering waste from our blood. Renal clearance tests measure the rate at which a particular substance is cleared from the body's plasma by the kidneys. The substance could be anything that the body produces naturally, like creatinine, or it could be a substance introduced into the body, such as inulin. The rate at which these substances are cleared gives us a window into the kidney's effectiveness. Imagine a bustling city with a waste management system. If waste starts piling up on the streets, we know something's wrong with the system. Similarly, if these substances start building up in our blood, it's a sign that our kidneys might not be functioning optimally. These tests are crucial in diagnosing disorders of the urinary system. For instance, elevated levels of creatinine in the blood could indicate conditions like chronic kidney disease or acute kidney injury. On the flip side, lower than normal levels could signify conditions such as muscle wasting or liver disease. So you see, renal clearance tests are like a health report card for our kidneys, helping us understand how well they're performing their essential role of waste management in our bodies. Regular checkups can help catch any potential issues early. But what happens when things go wrong? Our bodies are complex machines, and sometimes things can go wrong. Let's talk about some common disorders of the urinary system. Firstly, we have urinary tract infections, or UTIs. These are usually caused by bacteria infiltrating the urinary tract. The symptoms can include a burning sensation during urination, a frequent urge to urinate, and cloudy or strong-smelling urine. Antibiotics are often used to treat UTIs. Next up is kidney stones, hard deposits of minerals and salts that form inside the kidneys. These can cause severe pain, especially during urination, and sometimes require surgical intervention to remove. Drinking plenty of water and maintaining a balanced diet can help prevent kidney stones. Thirdly, we have urinary incontinence. In essence, this is the loss of bladder control leading to unwanted leakage of urine. It can be caused by various factors, including age, obesity, and certain neurological disorders. Treatment can range from lifestyle changes and pelvic floor exercises to surgery in more severe cases. Polycystic kidney disease is another disorder where clusters of cysts develop primarily within the kidneys. These cysts are non-cancerous sacs containing water-like fluid and can enlarge the kidneys while replacing much of their normal structure, leading to reduced kidney function and kidney failure over time. It's typically an inherited disorder, and treatment can involve medications, diet changes, or even kidney transplant in severe cases. Lastly, we have bladder cancer. Symptoms include blood in the urine, frequent urination, and pain during urination. Treatment often involves surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation. Remember, these are just a few examples of urinary system disorders. There are many more, each with its own set of causes, symptoms, and treatments. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you're experiencing any unusual symptoms. Knowing about these disorders can help us take better care of our urinary system, but how do we ensure it stays healthy? Our urinary system does a lot for us. It's only fair that we do our part to keep it healthy. One of the simplest ways to maintain a healthy urinary system is by staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water each day helps to flush out toxins from our bodies and keeps our kidneys functioning effectively. Regular exercise is another excellent way to promote urinary health. It stimulates healthy blood flow, which aids in the filtration process of the kidneys. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, also contributes to a healthy urinary system. Limiting the intake of salt and caffeine can prevent the formation of kidney stones and other urinary disorders. Regular checkups are also essential to detect any potential issues early on. Early detection and treatment can make a world of difference in maintaining the health of your urinary system. Remember, a healthy urinary system is critical for our overall well-being, so take good care of it. We've journeyed through the intricate world of the urinary system, understanding its anatomy, physiology, and the role it plays in our health. We've dived into the body fluid compartments, explored the mechanism of urine formation, the significance of the renin-angiotensin system, and the delicate balancing act of acid, base, electrolyte, and water levels. We've discussed renal clearance tests, the physiology of micturition, and disorders that can impact this crucial system. And that's a wrap on our journey through the urinary system. Subscribe for more intriguing insights into the human body. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.